HRBP and HR journalist, what's the difference? HRBP is a strategical role where you will be able to plan the organization from the strategic point of view. That means thinking about what the competitors are doing. How can you implement other policies which could be the great thing for the company progress? How you will make sure that all the department objectives are really linked with the company's objective, as well as the individual objectives are linked with the company objective. So HRBP is not a HR manager. It's a outside-in role. Think outside the box to plan the strategy for the company progress. Whereas the HR manager is the person who follow the processes being defined by the HR management or the top management or HRBP. So HR manager do the HRM, human resources management, and HRBP is a strategical role which is totally focused for company progress towards by implementing the right policies and processes. Is payment of wages and minimum wages interrelated? Yes, they are. Payment of wages and minimum wages are interrelated, as minimum wages gets applicable to all the companies under Section 2G by the central government, and the list has been amended by the state government. When whosoever is under the minimum wages, automatically under Section 22F, Payment of Wages Act also gets applicable. What Payment of Wages Act governs? Payment of Wages Act tells us the date of the payment, how much fine, how much deduction is possible from the salary. Keep watching my videos to know more about these minimum wages and payment of wages. I'll be posting the long video for this as well shortly. Bye-bye. Take care. How to do the appraisals? Appraisals are not only on performance. Don't just give the work and evaluate on the work. No, the employee also has a competency that also plays an equal part while giving the appraisals. Don't evaluate where the employee was standing on the performance grounds only. Just see what is the competency. Probably could be the another underlying reasons that the employee was not able to perform that particular year, but employee is competent. So on that behalf, if you are giving the less appraisal, that can demotivate the employee. If you have liked today's trick, hit like, subscribe the channel, and keep watching my videos. Bye-bye. Take care. How to make employee feel connected, empowered? You need to practice the open communication. You need to give them a place where they can communicate freely with the managers, with the teams, and their decision or their points are really welcomed and appreciated. You need to keep challenging your employees. If you will give the same monotonous task each and every day, the employee will be disconnected and highly disengaged and dissatisfied. So keep rotating the job. Either you do the job rotation or add new challenges every day so that the employee is always excited. You need to give the PDPs, professional development plans, at the regular intervals. Demonstrate your trust on the employees 100% so that they feel a part of the system. If there is some distrust also, you are not trusting your employee, you cannot show it upfront. Give them these small tasks, small tasks. Give them a different hats. Make them wear a different hats at the regular time so that they are connected with the system. You cannot do always the horizontal communication. Make them involved in the upward communication where they are a part of system and even advising the management and helping the company to grow. Let's talk about how to crack the interview. Learn about the organization. Learn how to stand out of the crowd. Start preparing your video resumes rather than the boring resumes. Be prepared with your own questions. Don't ask for the salary until asked for. Handshake with the interviewer and greet the interviewer with a smile. Always leave the interview on a positive, enthusiastic tone. Interview is incomplete without a thank you note. So that was the tip for today.